Look at the ducks. Juju, stop, Juju. No, Juju. Little bit. Come here, guys. They're weird. They just do whatever they want, don't they? Little bit, come on. Is that quackers? And my quackers. Little bit. Come on, little bit. Little bit. Now. You know it's school time, players. Y'all know it's school time. Take a seat. Little bit, come on. Come on, little bit. I'm trying to find my thing. Come on, little bit, now. Little bit of trouble. Come on, little bit. Little bit. In your fat chicken. Little bit. Trouble. Little bit of trouble. Come on. Come on in. Come on, Mama. Please like and subscribe, man. We put in our work, time, and effort into making y'all smile. So hit that like button, smash that, hit that bell, smash that like button, and subscribe. Peace.
It's your boy Dagfern. I just wanna take a fight with the mayor. Pigs and the blanket is my favorite flavor. I said I want a box Ryan, even had a waiver. I guess I'm too soft like a vanilla wafer. Got Redneck Nation as my screensaver. I'm editing my videos on a Acer. Yeah, Ryan Upchurch ain't no body faker. He's calling me a pussy while he's playing with a laser. And I'm being serious, y'all. I ain't chasing around this red dot no more, alright? I got charges to file. A whole bunch of them. It's John Holbrook's fault. It ain't fair. I wanna tickle fight the mayor. Sneak into his house, record it with a tape player. It ain't fair. I wanna tickle fight the mayor. I filed so many charges, I need plenty more paper. I want to tickle fight the mayor. The mayor. Dirty White is my best friend. He lives in West Virginia on a dead end. We talk over each other when we pretend. We got all the proof, y'all. You just don't understand. Turkey showed me lots of ninja moves and some Polaroids of some boobs, and I always only tell the truth. Now the turkey's in the chicken coop. I'm the shit, Amber Heard's poop. Pirate of the butts may be true. Ain't a person that I won't sue. Wish church was covered in barbecue. And the mayor, I won't forget you either. I'll never forget the mayor. I seen you at the Piggly Wiggly yesterday, mayor. It's John Holbrook's fault. It ain't fair. I wanna tickle fight the mayor. Sneak into his house, record it with the tape player. It ain't fair. I wanna tickle fight the mayor. I filed so many charges, I need plenty more paper. I want to tickle fight the mayor. The mayor. I just wanna take a fight with the mayor. Sneak into his house, tape player. Ain't fair, take a fight the mayor. By so many charges, but nobody cares. Ain't fair. It ain't. Paintstill's fault. Everybody already knows that though.